Yo, what's up, man? Your boy Lil Cassius here. We're back with Shaman, man. Let's get started.
Я пришел ниоткуда и шел в никуда.
Is that a new song?
Столько разных дорог, а моя лишь одна.
Man, I can't remember it. Wait.
Дорог, а моя лишь одна.
Let's listen.
Я хотел в этой жизни любовь отыскать,
Hey.
чтобы мог я как ветер без крыльев летать. Белый ветер, мне бы в небо за тобой. Кто ответит? Где же ты, моя любовь? Белый ветер, я такой же, как и ты. Только сердце не летает без любви. Белый ветер.
Whoa. Man, I wanna meet him. I wanna see him, talk to him face to face. Wow.
Не тот миг, небо скажет пора. Ждут тебя высоко твои братья ветра.
Ah.
И тогда полечу в бесконечную даль. Я скажу лишь два слова: прости и прощай. Белый ветер, мне бы в небо за тобой. Кто ответит? Где же ты, моя любовь? Белый ветер, я такой же, как и ты. Только сердце не летает без любви. Белый ветер. Ветер, мне бы в небо за тобой. Ответь, где же ты, моя любовь? Белый ветер, я такой же, как и ты. Только сердце не летает без любви. Белый ветер. Белый ветер.
Look at the anchor man in the background, like, yo, he's so happy. He's so happy. Yeah. You know, he was so happy. He was like, you know, he's saying, I'm proud of Shaman. We are proud of Shaman. Yo, I'm gonna say one thing only. One thing. They say we have 7 wonders in the world. But yo, they are wrong. They are wrong. Everybody's wrong. Especially those who are saying we have 7 wonders in the world. Because we got 8 wonders in the world. Shaman is the 8th one, you know, he's also a wonder, man, you know what I mean? He is so unique, he is amazing, yo, so not 7, we got 8 wonders in the world, yeah, and that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, really share it, and until next time, yo, my birthday is coming, guys, so yeah, I just want to share more and more, yeah. It's on 22nd of November, so do it. And Shaman's birthday is also coming. Yeah, I know that. I remember. You know, he was born in the month of November. So yeah, it's amazing. coincidence, lovely coincidence. And until next time, bye bye.